When it comes to cleaning toilets, only a few have the expertise to keep your toilet shining. It's not a glamorous task, but by following a few tips and tricks, you can have a hygienic toilet to yourself. Let's flush away all your bathroom blues and start scrubbing. Have you ever failed to keep your toilet clean? Do you want to know our potty-ful tips and tricks to make it a fragrance house? On number 5, we have baking soda. No matter how much you brush your toilet, it's extremely difficult to get rid of the stain. You would lose a good amount of time by continuous brushing, and you would even feel like your arms would come off. After all these efforts, the toilet stain will remain there. It's at this moment you should go to your kitchen and take a small amount of baking soda. You can either make a mix of baking soda and lemon juice or put the baking soda directly into the bowl. Wait for a few minutes, and it's during this waiting period you will rethink your life's decisions. As the waiting period gets over, wipe your sweat and tears and get down to brushing. The baking soda will make it 10 times easier for you to remove the stain, and this time you can brush easier. You just have to spare a couple of minutes to continue brushing, and then you have a stain and odor-free toilet in front of you. The baking soda breeze is enough to keep your toilet smelling like nothing. It will not smell like flowers, but it would definitely smell fresh and clean. Have you ever heard about this tip? Do you know anyone who's tried it? On number 4, we have a scrub. After you remove the toilet stain, you're left with dirty rims and a smelly toilet top. All you have to do is not take a deep breath, but close your nose and take your scrubber. Make sure that you're wearing gloves and an oversized tee of yours. In a minute, you're going to dive into the world of cleaning. Choose a detergent and apply it all over the toilet rim and exterior of the toilet. Leave it for a few minutes and then start scrubbing. As you scrub, pour water on the rims to see whether you're able to remove the stain. If it's not working, then what you can do is make a vinegar solution. Take a bottle and fill it with vinegar and water in equal proportion. Shake the bottle vigorously and start working on the exterior of the toilet. Again, take your scrubber and scrub it with a little force. If you're still not satisfied with the condition of your toilet, then grab a packet of soda powder and mix it with the water. Apply the paste all over the exterior of the toilet and on the rims. Leave it for half an hour and scrub it off. By trying out this method, you're going to be amazed by the shiny brand new toilet in front of you. Isn't it amazing to follow simple tips and tricks and get super shiny toilets? On number 3, we have fragrance. When was the last time a guest complimented your toilet for smelling good? Probably never. Well, we're gonna make it a reality. All you have to do is select your toilet bowl cleaner correctly. There are several toilet cleaners. It's quite confusing to select which one. There are ones with fragrances with great options. Choose the type of fragrance you feel good about and replace your old toilet bowl cleaner with this. In this way, you don't even have to put in extra effort and get your toilet clean and smelling good in no time. If you're a person who can spare a few minutes, then you can make toilet tablets. All you need is baking soda, water, and citric acid. Mix everything and add essential oil for fragrance. You can make it like a bath bomb by putting the mixture into a mold. Once it's completely set, keep it in your washroom, and at the time of need, flush it down the toilet. You can also use a room refresher to tackle sudden unwanted smells. Situations like this take place when you invite a guest over and you have to save your face. If you don't want to spend money purchasing all these products, or if you're trying to save money, then collect all the remaining citrus fruits and put them inside the toilet tank, one by one. There goes your natural toilet freshener. The only thing you have to keep in mind is to remove these citrus fruit remains every 2 days. Otherwise, you would have to experience a rotten and unwanted smell. You don't need help from anyone regularly to clean your toilet. You just have to follow these tips and tricks, and within minutes, your toilet will be super clean. If you have a deodorant that you haven't developed a taste for, it can be used in your toilet to smell good. Spray it all over the toilet and walls to get a good fragrance. On number 2, we have a nook and corner. It's very tough to clean the nook and corner of a toilet. No matter how much you ever try, you'll not be able to get rid of the dirt. You might even wonder what method will work to clean this toilet. Well, all you have to do is grab an old toothpaste of yours, dip it into the detergent powder, and brush it all over the toilet, especially the unreachable side. To make it even cleaner, cut an old cloth into long strips and soak it in liquid detergent for a few hours. You can put the baking soda paste on it as well. Now you get a long thin strip of old cloth drenched in detergent and baking soda. Now you can move to the next step of placing this strip on the unreachable side. Wait for a couple of hours and take it off. You'll get a super clean toilet without much scrubbing. Rinse the area where you placed the cloth strip thoroughly with water. Repeat this step 2 or more times and let it air dry, or wipe it off with tissue paper. If you have more time, then clean the toilet tank and flush the handler using good quality detergent. For this, you have to remove the top part of the tank and thoroughly clean the interior. You can put a bath bomb or a fragrance bar inside the tank to smell good. Make sure that after cleaning, you wipe everything off. The hinges and bolt should be cleaned as well by applying the baking soda paste on it. Use a microfiber towel to wipe your toilet just like how you dry your hair. The toilet base, including tiles and mirrors, should be cleaned, as this will give you an overall look to the washroom. The shining toilet will be the center of attention, but still, you have to clean the tiles as well, as otherwise it'll become the breeding ground of bacteria. On number 1, we have maintenance. You have to be a toilet listener and listen to the needs of your toilet. Make sure that you flush down after using the toilet. If you see a clogged toilet, clean it yourself by keeping all the necessary equipment in your home. Keep a small portion of your home to stock up on toilet cleaning essentials. Cleaning the toilet is a filthy business, and you have to get your hands dirty. No toilet should be left unattended, and do not encourage yourself to leave the toilet unclean for weeks. If you do that, within weeks, it'll be a bacterial battleground. Once a week, clean your toilet and make it a routine. There should be 2 types of toilet cleaning. One should be a simple cleanup, and the other one should be a spa treatment. You can prepare a chart and divide the cleanup days with your family members to not stress you out. For a simple cleanup, you just have to wash the toilet with a regular detergent and keep it hygienic. In spa treatment, your cleaning method should make the toilet spotless. You should use baking soda paste and detergent with fragrance. Flush the toilet with cleaning balms to make your toilet a sanitary sanctuary. If you feel that you've overused your toilet, then don't be afraid to buy a new one. Well, as you know now all the tips and tricks to keep your toilet clean, you can confidently purchase a new toilet for yourself. After cleaning your toilet, make sure you dip your cleaning tools in a soap solution, as it'll contain a lot of dirt. It's better to keep everything clean to have a dirt-free toilet. When you sit on a clean toilet, there will be a sense of satisfaction on your face. After all, by applying our tips and tricks, you clean the toilet in just minutes. Will you be able to clean your toilet? Which tip did you like the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, click the link on the screen and watch our next video on the most expensive toilets in the world.